The interesting part of this gala dinner is everybody has his specific way of cooking. We are all different chefs from different backgrounds.
I認為粵菜做得好嘅最緊要嘅火爐掌握得好。
My philosophy is pure, simple, seasonal. If we respect ingredients, we have to know the seasonality.
When they taste this dish, I want them to discover the harmony between the beef and fruits.
When we find the perfect wine to pair with dish, it's like when you have the perfect dancer with a perfect song.
What inspires me is always travel, is a market, just a simple market.
煮嘢食同埋諗菜，你最緊要諗下保持熱度夠熱同埋好味得㗎啦。所謂一熱遮三醜，即係呢啲係我哋嘅風格咯。
その料理で重要なことは食材の例えば個体差だったり部位による差っていうのを明確に理解することだと思います。
Purity. A word to describe my cooking is purity.
一言で言うならばシンプル。その一言ですね。
My cuisine is French cuisine mixed with Japanese cuisine, featuring Asian ingredients. I love the pure taste, I love original taste, I love simplicity.